Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet these very simple daisy flowers. Today I will show you how to crochet these flowers like 2D or crochet applique, and in the next video I will crochet these daisy flowers like 3D. I wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Today I will crochet in these two colors, yellow for the middle part and purple for the petals. This is cotton yarn, Catania von Schachenmeier. I use crochet hook 2 mm, but if you want that your flower is a little bit bigger, you can use 2.5 mm. We need sewing needle and scissors. I start with a magic ring and crochet first round 10 single crochet in the ring. And 10. Now pull yarn and close the ring and finish round with the slip stitch in the first stitch. Second round, chain 1, and we crochet 2 single crochet in every stitches. At the end we have 20 stitches. Two single crochet in the last stitch, and finish round with a slip stitch. Now cut this yarn and this yarn stay in the middle few stitches. And now we crochet petals. I start to the right from the last stitch and crochet 7 chain stitches, 5, 6, 7, skip first stitch and 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches, and 5, slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch. And again 7 chain stitches, skip first stitch, 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches, slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch, but this yarn stay in the middle. And this yarn stay in the middle a few stitches. Then you can sew this yarn and cut this yarn. And so repeat to the end of round. 7 chain stitches, 5 single crochet, slip stitch, and I see you later. Last petal, 7 chain stitches, 6 and 7, 5 single crochet, 4, 5, slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the last stitch, put yarn, and pull yarn. This yarn comes to the back side, and sew all yarn ends. And this is our daisy flower. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time with a 3D daisy flower.